Staying in the court and staying in KwaZulu-Natal, a 17-year-old mother charged with the death of her 1-year-old will make her first appearance in the Umlazi Magistrate's court today. The toddler was shot and killed under mysterious circumstances on Monday. The mother claimed that her baby was inside the house and she was outside sweeping when she heard the sound of a gunshot going off from inside the house where her son was alone. However, further investigations have revealed that the mother was allegedly playing with the gun when a bullet accidentally went off, killing her toddler. She was arrested on Wednesday, now facing that charge of murder. And our Silethiwe Ndlovu is keeping an eye on that one and joins us now live. Silethiwe, I know that we've heard from the family as well and their shock in the aftermath of all of this. Just describe the impact on them and then the expectations in court today.
Good morning, Iman. The implications are quite massive. If you just think of what the mother said yesterday, she did mention that she actually doesn't believe that her daughter could deliberately commit this particular murder. And she states that it could have actually been a mistake where the 17-year-old went into the house where she found a safe that was unlocked and took a gun and then allegedly shot that 1-year-old. So the mother says that she believes that this was a mistake. But however, as you have already mentioned, there are conflicting events regarding this particular case, Iman. And also, if you think about what the provincial police spokesperson, Colonel Robert Nechiunda, stated yesterday, he did mention that there is going to be clarity that is going to be provided during this court appearance. Now, a lot of people are hoping to hear what it is exactly that transpired. As you have already mentioned, initially it was stated that the mother was actually outside sweeping the yard when she heard a gunshot noise. Now, when she went to go and investigate that particular noise, initial reports state that she found her 1-year-old son laying in a pool of blood with a gunshot wound to the head. However, just yesterday, we heard that she has now been arrested by authorities and will be facing a charge for murder. Now, as I already mentioned at the beginning, the mother said that she doesn't believe that this is something that could have been deliberate. You'll also remember, Iman, that it was stated that the safe at that particular residence was unlocked. So it seems as if the police are going to continue to investigate, as there might also be other charges, perhaps even of negligence, due to the fact that that particular safe was unlocked. However, we will monitor the court as it continues today, just to get a bit of clarity in terms of what it is exactly that transpired during that particular day on Monday.
And one of the key questions, the obvious one, is whose gun is this?
There is that big question, Iman. You will remember that this 17-year-old, it was stated that she was at a residence where she was looking after a 5-month-old baby. Now, we're told that the 17-year-old's mother is actually a nanny at that particular residence. So there is a bit of confusion in terms of who the gun belongs to. We heard even the mother state that she is also uncertain because those personal belongings do not belong to her. They do, however, belong to this particular family where she looks after the baby. So we are going to try to get a sense of why that perhaps that particular safe was unlocked at that time, especially because there was a 1-year-old inside the house and a 5-month-old baby. And you will remember, Iman, that it was stated just yesterday by my colleague Ndlovu Modise that this particular situation could have been much worse due to the fact that there was also that 5-month baby in the house. However, we are going to try and get a sense of who the gun belonged to if the family is present today in court, Iman.